Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I want to show you how I upgraded my bedroom in such a simple, practical, and beautiful way. And it's all because of these wall panels from Wall Panel Pros. They are 12 by 36. These are the warm stone color. They're an upholstered velour fabric. Absolutely beautiful, exactly what the sample showed, and they look perfect in my room. I still have to figure out what to paint on that, but the rest of my room all came together beautifully because of these panels. Now, they also offer a wide variety of fabrics. They are stunning, and I am blown away by how easy they were to install, as well as their customer service. The boxes are lined with warnings about don't be tempted to use a knife. They don't want you ruining them, but they're packaged beautifully. I had so much fun putting these together, and it only took me 10-15 minutes to get this up and installed, and I was standing there shocked, like, oh, I'm done. You could easily swap out the panels for 12 by 12, 12 by 24, 12 by 36, different textures, different material. I love that you can do such a variety of design. If you want them vertical, great. I prefer the horizontal look. You can even change it out for the season. So get a couple different colors and then change them out depending on the season that you're in. I've never had a company so hands-on and so helpful. It's truly a unique experience when dealing with Wall Panel Pros. One thing I noticed is how well they're constructed. They're true quality construction, and with the little snap-on feature, easiest thing in the world to put them into your wall, and what a fantastic way to upgrade your room. They just made my room exactly what I envisioned and dreamed it would look like. So I would recommend my friends and family because of the pure joy and the full experience that it was. I will use them again, and that's my point of view.